sitting in those hot seats.
Handsome growth in income from Absa Bank Uganda in the year ended December 2023. Hundreds of billions from interest earnings and other investment returns, according to the Managing Director, Mumba Kalifungwa, even as economic activity was low.
Revenue grew by 15.6%, or 64 billion, to end the year at 474 billion, driven by strong growth in our transactional banking and trading income business that grew by 42%. We reported a profit after tax of 146 billion Ugandan shillings, delivering a strong return on investment for our shareholders of around 20% in terms of return on equity. The growth in profit is attributed largely by the revenue growth from both funded and non-funded income. And like I said, largely driven by business recovery and improved economic environment.
As its industry peers, despite a tough economic environment for much of the year, the bank grew shareholders' equity, according to the Chief Financial Officer. Also, a rise in the total value of assets held during the period.
Very good performance considering the economic times. But more importantly, our return on equity remaining above 20%, and those are ratios that we more or less kept over the last years. Looking at the balance sheet, customer assets, as we have alluded to earlier, 13% growth in terms of assets. We've seen a lot of mortgages come through, the appetite and demand for personal lending, and as Mumba alluded to, manufacturing and trade.
Growth in a challenging domestic and global economic environment is not a mean feat, and banks will be hoping for a stay of an upward trend in profitability as government projects the economy will expand 6% in the financial year 23-24 on the back of strengthening activity in the oil and gas sector. Marco Musime, NTV Tonight Business.